Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the detail of one interesting topic. So many of my subscribers were asking how to fix this. And then finally I got an email from YouTube stating I need to update my YouTube contents. So need to fix it. What is that? So there is a feature, a facility available as part of YouTube's partner program. So once you are eligible for YouTube's monetizations, when you meet 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 viewers, you are automatically eligible for partner program where you get to see ads in your channel, and then through that you get paid. So you get income. So you go to AdSense and then see how much you get it per view, how you get it. Okay. So additionally, in addition to that, there's a special feature where YouTube has introduced in few years back, where we can also tag some of the products from selective websites, so that when some of the viewers are watching, while watching your YouTube video, if they think that okay, this product is very much related to them, so they'll go and purchase that product from whatever site, and then you get a payment according some commission when your the product that you have tagged in your YouTube, gets somebody gets attraction of somebody, you or some of your viewers, and then you they click it, buy it, and then you get some commission. Okay, so it's not like very simple, but there is a guidelines or rules set up by YouTube how you can tag up products to your YouTube videos. It's not that you can tag any products in random. So if you are doing that in random, so it will not allow you, and then it's going to send you a notification. So if you have a running YouTube channel, it's my advice that you keep checking your Gmail account, okay, once in a while, to see if there is any copyright issues or any warning on any issues that YouTube automatically sends you. So they send us one or twice, and then later you see that sometimes what happens, they remove that feature from your site so that you cannot do it anytime, or totally your channel is put down so that you cannot access your channel. So a lot of people have suffered this, like uh, within a night, right? When they wake up in the morning and then see that okay, my channel is removed for some reason. It can be for some innocent reason, but some people are doing it purposefully. For them, it's okay. But some people are not, aware of all these YouTube's, policies and guidelines, and they think that okay, it's okay to, upload such kind of videos. Okay, so that's a problem, and then I think government is working to create some policies around this, so that if it's a hard-earned thing, right? You work for years to, get your channel to a certain stage, and then you have a lot of subscribers, and later you see that your channel is removed, and you don't see any option to communicate to YouTube to say that okay, I didn't do it purposefully. Please, enable my channel. So nothing like that. Okay, so it's gone. You're gone, and then somebody there are some people who take this as a challenge and then start reworking and recreating it, and some of them lose hope and then they step out and do some other work. But this should not happen. There is going to be policies created. I don't know how, when the government will announce that, but for now, there is, if you receive such violations, you have to take some immediate steps. Otherwise, you will see some problems in your monetized channel. Okay, sometimes if you are not uploading a video for some time, also your monetization will be removed. So you need to make sure that your YouTube channel is active periodically. Okay, so now I said that there's a product tagging violation email from. So let's go to the video to see the details. So this is how. So the feature was introduced in India from 25 October 2024 onwards. You see additional feature where when you upload any video as a YouTube partner program, there is one monetization step, and the last step will be to add some products from some websites. That should be. So the policy says that okay, you should have a product that is very closely related to your video. Okay, you cannot just go and click randomly upload any products, okay, to the video, attach it. So they say that okay, somebody is immersed in your video, and then they see that okay, something is popping up there, it is very relevant to that video, and then they can click and purchase it. Okay, if you're not sure about that, please don't select any products. If you know that okay, this product is very much related to this YouTube topic, then you can put it. Okay, So this is the mail I received from YouTube today, and then I was surprised, like even there is such kind of new rules that even occur, so that I thought that we can tag any product. So how to remove that? Okay, so once you get that email, right, so you need to go to your studio.youtube.com. So here, so this is the place where you can do all this editing, uploading, and everything. Okay, so there's a YouTube website and then a studio website where you can do all those, and it's similar in all mobile also. So what you need to go and click on the filter option here, and then select on products. Okay, so when you select on products, you see one option here called tagging violation. Okay, so now I click it. Since I've received a mail, I was searching for this feature. I was surprised where to do that, but I watched, I asked ChatGPT, and it told me that you have to follow the steps, and I followed this. And then there was at least 15 to 16 videos that recently I posted from last year. So for all those videos, I was randomly, clicking some products, and then it says that, okay, it's not meeting the guidelines. So here I have kept only one video to demo purpose. Okay, here if I go down here, so I have tagged a lot of products. So if I click on the edit, right? So this is what you see, right? So when you upload any videos, you see this shops option here, product tagging, tag products window, where you can go and there's like few websites that is associated with YouTube where you can select the product. So it's like, you know that Flipkart is major, Nykaa and Myntra, and then other Purple and Tira are very less used, but okay. So once you select any of the sites and apply here, so you can select like one by one and upload related products there. Okay. So now I get list of products here, and then you should be clever enough to search for the products that are very much close to this video, and then you should be able to add. And then if you are not adding the relevant products here, it will be showing some warnings here. Okay, so now I see warnings here, so I need to go and make sure that since I really got this email, I need to go and remove all the products here. So I can go and hover over here and then see this delete delete delete. Almost all products are getting deleted here because I didn't have anything, just relatively I just randomly selected some products. So now I've done this and saved this. So now I'm safe. So I have removed everything here. So all the, for all my videos, I have removed the tagging option. So let's refresh and see. So now see there is no matching videos I'm getting. So when I see this, okay. So maybe I need to, show it, zoom it out. So if you see product tagging, so how to go there, filter, so products, and then tagging violation, apply. Okay, once you do that, whatever videos are violating this tagging, product tagging, it will be listed here, and you can go into, you know, delete it. So that's how you need to go and delete and make sure that your channel is safe, and then it's adhering to all the rules and guidelines, whatever it is, community guidelines, whatever it is, because it's not managed directly. So it's like doing everything in the background by some formulas. So it goes and checks and says that, okay, it is not there. And then unwantedly, we need to go and like, find those contacts and say that, yes, this is my product, this link. And you need to spend a lot of efforts to justify that. Instead of that, best you can go and remove it to be very safe, because the access to YouTube, contacts and everything, that it's very tough. So I don't recommend that. So you should go and straight away remove anything. Like if you also have something, right, related to copyright also. So if you go down here, you see like copyright, right? So you see like copyright, if something is there, then you need to, if something is listed under the copyright also, you need to go and check and remove it from that immediately. Otherwise, for copyright, it's very serious, and then they will even banish your channel overnight. Okay, so make sure that you are doing uploading very, very, very useful videos, and don't upload any videos that is troubling or creating some nuisance or the public or somebody. It's inducing some of the communities to do some worse to the community. Okay, so make sure, and then even if you're like copying songs or something, make sure that you're doing it without copyright problem. So that's what I wanted to say about in this video, like product tagging violation, how to fix it. So if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer that. See you in a new video. Bye.